ride in the crowd, music that jump around and get sweaty.
Come on, man, I'll teach you. You're going home today. Yes. So here we are. Let's learn a bit about neuroscience. Okay, so let's start with the basics here. Here we have the ear and earlobe. The ear opens up to the inside of our heads with its auditory canal. The auditory canal ends with the eardrum. The earlobe, auditory canal, and eardrum make up the outer ear. Sound waves travel down the canal and make the eardrum vibrate. The eardrum's vibration in turn vibrates the middle ear. The middle ear is composed of the bones that act as a medium between the inner and outer ear. These bones, the malleus or hammer, the incus or anvil, and the stapes or stirrup. The stirrup is connected to the cochlea, a snail-shaped tube in the inner ear that is filled with fluid. The stirrup's vibration caused the cochlea's membrane, known as the oval window, to vibrate, thus stirring up the cochlear fluid inside. The motion moves the basilar membrane inside the cochlea and its hair cells. The rippling of the hair cells triggers impulses in the neighboring nerve fibers to the auditory nerve cells. The cochlea and its surrounding areas make up the inner ear. So thus these many 16,000 hair cells can send messages to the auditory cortex in the brain's temporal lobe, located at the left and right sides of our brain. It is extremely important that you take care of these cells. Research points to the loss of hair cells when listening to intense sounds, such as fireworks, car motors, and even music, over a prolonged period of time. And not only the brain's temporal lobe is involved in processing sound, it is known that the brain's frontal lobe, which is involved in higher functioning processes, plays a critical role in recognizing melody. So you listen to loud and scratchy music, and that's why you can concentrate well while doing your homework or studying for tests. To enhance your mental capability, you should be listening to classical, rather quiet music, preferably without any lyrics, while doing your mental tasks. Well, I guess not listening to anything would be best, but it seems like you need music, so let's just stick with what I recommended. So, why does classical music work? Let me explain. It's called the Mozart effect. You see, classical music may be able to relax you and allow you to concentrate, since it doesn't have such a high pitch or craziness to activate your limbic system to release endorphins. Also, listening to music with lyrics can interfere with the encoding of your material, since the lyrics in a song may override the thoughts that you are trying to memorize. However, listening to music that contains no lyrics whatsoever may enhance your ability to memorize your study material. The brain releases natural chemicals known as dopamine that activates and excites the brain processes. Listen to more positive music as well, since positive music can lead to a better mood while doing your homework.